The results of Season 3 of the eBay Repair Challenge are in. Let's talk numbers. Now before I do that, it is important to note that I don't know how the others in the Repair Challenge did. We haven't talked our numbers, we haven't discussed it, so none of us know how the other ones did. So at the end of this video, I will leave links to their channels so you can check those out to see which one of us won the Repair Challenge. As you know, if you've been following along with this challenge, I started out with $200 and had to use that $200 to make as much profit as I could by buying 5 items on eBay and then reselling those same 5 items on eBay. And the whole point was just to buy broken stuff to see if I could fix it and see if I could make any money at all. Now my first item was the HP Palmtop computer. I paid $75 for that computer. I was able to sell it for $90. All of the fees associated with that item cost $12.50, leaving me with a very tiny profit of $2.50. But hey, a profit is a profit, and I would much rather make a little bit of money than lose money. Now my item number 2 was the mini HOG Stirling Engine. This may have been my favorite item out of all of them. I paid $50.30 for that motor. Parts cost was $53.38. All the fees associated with selling it were $24.90, and I was able to sell it for $114, which unfortunately left me with a loss of $14.58. After this second item, I was down to $188. Now luckily for me, item number 3 had to be a game console that was made after 2010, so of course, I decided to buy a broken PS4. I paid $94.35 for a PS4 that had the white light of death. It was sort of a tough one to diagnose, but I was able to fix it, and I sold it for $179. I paid $15 in parts for it. All the fees associated with selling it were $33.51, and that left me with a nice profit of $36.14. So after 3 items, I had a profit of $24 total, so the total I had to spend was $224. Item number 4 had to be an antique item made before 1980, so I went on eBay and found an old Nintendo watch. This Nintendo watch had a game, Super Mario World, and luckily for me, it was also an easy fix. I just had to replace the battery and give it a good cleaning, and then it was good to go. I paid $40.65 for this watch. The battery cost me $2. All the fees associated with selling it cost me $8.82, and I was able to sell it for $59.99, leaving me with a profit of $8.52. After item number 4, I had a profit of $33, so I had a total of $233 to spend. Item number 5 was an item of my choice. I could pick whatever I wanted. So, of course, I picked a Nintendo Switch. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I've fixed a ton of Switches, so I figured this would be a good item to buy and hopefully make up some more money and give me a better chance of winning the contest. So I bought a broken Nintendo Switch for $77 that had a bad game slot. I paid $9 for a new game slot. All the fees associated with selling it cost $18.54. I was able to sell it for $154.99, leaving me with a profit of $50.54. So I started the eBay Repair Challenge with $200. I was able to make $84 by buying and selling broken items on eBay. So $83 is my final profit numbers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to go check out my mate Vince, Tampa Tech, and the Retro Future videos to see how much they made on this challenge. Their videos will be posted in the description below, and I'm gonna go watch those right now as well so I can see whether I won or not. Also coming up, I've got some great new videos. I've got iPhones to fix, I've got PS4s to fix, I have Switches to fix, I even have an antique pocket watch that I might even throw in there as well. So be sure you're subscribed and click the bell so you get notified of all of those videos. Thanks again so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.